Hi guys, my name is Jitta Mama and this is JM Crypto. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so not too far away now, the US stock market will be opening in the next half an hour to 45 minutes or so. So let's crack on today with the starting positions for the longs and the shorts. Now this morning with the UK stock market at 8 o'clock, I noticed the stocks had fell just slightly, ever so slightly. There were concerns, there's still concerns. I mean, I don't know how long this will last, but the energy obviously concerns in Europe. That's a big issue as far as macroeconomics are concerned. Therefore, the stocks had fell a little again this morning, bearing in mind there's a slight sense of unease across the whole financial market. So let's see how the US opens in the next half an hour or so and how crypto responds to that. The stocks in this morning in the pre-market, the US stock market is trying to recover. Yesterday was a seriously low day for the US stocks. The Dow Jones fell by 600 points in one day. Now that is really that's concerning. The S&P 500 dropped by 2.14% and the Nasdaq, the worst out of the three to be honest, dropped by 2.5%. So as you can see, that was one of the worst days. In fact, it was probably one of the worst days since late June. So bear that in mind, that there will be some kind of recovery today. But nevertheless, there's still a lot of negativity across the financial board, micro and macroeconomics. You may have actually heard on the financial news this morning, there's been an ex-employee from a gigantic tech company Apple that's currently pleading guilty. Oh gosh, it's getting serious. Pleading guilty and may even face 10 years in prison for stealing the secrets regarding their car division, their automobile division. Again, this is not cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, tech stocks does have a big impact on cryptocurrency. So I do expect also a slight small adjustment to the downside again today. Nevertheless, there's still some climbing to do considering we had such a drop across the board yesterday. So bearing in mind the whales, they will activate some kind of movement today. I'm sure there will be some small adjustment to the upside in order to claim liquidation on those that are short in Bitcoin with a high leverage. So also bear that in mind. Throughout the early hours of this morning, we did touch $21,500 and then we soon went back down to 21,200 to around about the 20,900 mark early hours of this morning, and now we're currently hovering around 21,350. I started a short position just before 8 a.m. this morning UK time. I got in at 21,023 if I remember correctly, and that was a short to 20,800, giving me a nice just over 10% return on my investment. I do believe the short is still in play, so let's see how we get on there. Nevertheless, we did touch 21,500, but we soon started to creep back down. There is a resistance for those that are going to start a long today. Let's just discuss the longs in that case. 21,500. That's the best place in my opinion, I would start a long. Once Bitcoin has reached above 21,500, only then I would start a long, and I would certainly take profit by before 21,850. That was a comfortable and nice, take profit sense there. I think that would be perfect. If to be honest with you, there is a resistance at 21,900. Now, if Bitcoin surpasses this resistance and continues to excel on the upside, then I would start a second long position. I would still take profits at 21,800 because just in case it hits resistance and reversals back on the downside. So please bear that in mind. If Bitcoin is above $21,500, you could consider starting a long position and taking profit at 21,800. if it does continue to pass 21,800, you could also consider opening a second long position. I mean, it's got an opportunity, a possibility to get to 23,000 from there, because the resistance at 21,900, as you can see on the chart, is very strong. If we do break it, only then we can possibly touch the 23,000. If, however, we don't break 21,900, it will start traveling back on the downside, but doesn't bother us at all, because we've also taken profits at 21,800. That would be the best time to take profits on a long position. As far as shorts are concerned, I mean, I'm already in a short. Perhaps I jumped into the short a little too early this morning. Nevertheless, if you are looking to start a short, I would wait now until Bitcoin is below $21,200, maybe using a 10x leverage, and set the take profit at 20,900. This will give you more than 15%, which is a beautiful return on investment. So there we have it, the short from $21,200 and take profit at 20,900. Now again, there is also a resistance at 20,850, which I did discuss with you guys yesterday. That resistance is still in play. So if Bitcoin goes past the 20,850, as in on the downside, and reaches 20,700, I would then consider opening a second short and possibly having the ride all the way down to $20,000, possibly even 19,800, which I did say last week on my video, I think perhaps Wednesday or Thursday. So the Wyckoff accumulation, so bear that in mind again. So there we have it though, the summary for today. The longs only start a long if 21,500 and above on Bitcoin in dollars, and then consider taking profits at 21,800, and you can start a second long if we're above 21,950, and then perhaps ride it all the way up until around about the 23,000. The shorts only start a short if Bitcoin is below 21,200, and consider taking profit at 20,900 using a 10x leverage. Again, if Bitcoin drops below 20,800, I would then consider starting a second short and perhaps take it all the way down to 19,800, around $20,000. There we are, beautiful longs, beautiful shorts. It's Tuesday, the 23rd of August. Hopefully we're going to make some real good cash today. Let's continue with our trading on cryptocurrency. Everybody have a great day. This is Jitta Mama and this is JM Crypto. Thank you. Bye for now.